You are driving down the road on a rainy day, when suddenly you see a sign that reads slippery road. What does it mean, and how should you respond? The slippery road sign is a warning sign that is used to indicate that the road surface ahead is likely to be wet or slippery due to rain, ice, or other conditions. This sign is placed in areas where the road surface may become slick and hazardous, such as bridges and overpasses, or in shaded areas where the sun doesn't dry the road as quickly. If you encounter a slippery road sign, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First and foremost, slow down. Wet roads reduce traction and increase stopping distances, so it's important to drive at a safe and appropriate speed for the conditions. You should also avoid sudden movements, such as hard braking or sharp turns, which can cause you to lose control of your vehicle. Hydroplaning is a common hazard on wet roads, where the tires lose contact with the road surface and the vehicle slides uncontrollably. If you feel your car start to hydroplane, stay calm and avoid slamming on the brakes. Instead, ease off the gas pedal and gently steer in the direction you want to go until your tires regain traction. Remember, the slippery road sign is there to alert you to potential hazards ahead. By slowing down and driving carefully, you can help ensure your safety and the safety of others on the road. For more information like meaning, definition, example, location, and quiz, please check the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Drive safe and stay alert.